Syncing videos is a brand new feature in our iQ2 software. It's very exciting for the team as it's taken quite a lot of research, a lot of R&D to figure out what the best way was to create the syncing of really H.264 videos on the fly. So firstly, I open my file manager. I open up again the files of interest. Let's open up this file, for example. Let's assume this is over a series of days. We've taken this footage. So if I want to synchronize these videos, all I've got to do is press this lock button. And as you can see, as I'm pressing the lock button, it's bringing up the line down the bottom of the screen. That represents the video and the video position. We've got the file names over the top of each line, so you know they correspond to each screen. We've got a scroller here. So if I hold down the center mouse button, you notice all the videos will scroll through. So I can grab that and I can take that back there. When I use my mouse wheel, it'll pause all videos. When I go back a frame, it'll go back a frame on all videos. Forwards a frame, you're going to get frame by frame, step by step through each video. I've got my left trim with left mouse button, so that says start all videos at that point. My right mouse button, which is my red trim, is the end point. So I know that my videos that are all linked will cycle through this time frame. So let's test that out. So I'll put that link there and that link there and press play, or press the mouse button. So you can see that's going to cycle back through at that point. And again, I can play these videos, I can slow motion these videos if I want. Obviously at real time, we want to see more data in real time. So if I real time those videos, if I slow those videos down, we're going to capture a lot more data. And you can see as I'm changing this speed here in this video, it's changing the other speeds in the other videos until the point where I stop. So again, mouse wheel to stop. I can, if this video is out of sync, say this video up here is this is the original day, this is the day after, and this is the second day. Well, I can drag this video back a bit or forward a bit. I can drag this video forward a bit. Whoops. I can drag this video forward. Sorry, I'll drag that forward. And then drag this one around. So I can drag this one around, like so. And I can drag this video around like so. And see how it's changing my sync points. So drag this one back a bit, like that. And then I can line this one up. So you can see it's moving my entire, the video down the bottom is your reference video, so it's going to move my entire frame when I'm moving that one around. So this one's a little bit more trickier to play with, just requires a bit more practice, so you have to forgive me. It is very new software. So I can take that one back like so. Bring this one forward, so bring on file 21704, bring that one forward. And this one I can bring forward as well, like so. And I can set my points where I want them, set where the video starts and finishes, and you can go from there. So really cool feature. And again, I'll set that in slow motion. I can make this video opaque, which is really cool. Put that over the top of that video, and we can have both the swimmers in the pool there, swimming along, and we're comparing. Even comparing the last stroke to the stroke in front of the last stroke, and seeing how each stroke differs. What an interesting concept that is. So plenty to be worked on there. There's no limit to the amount of videos except the performance of our iQ2 system. We've tested up to 7 videos from our wall cam, for example, which run at 720p, and it works fine. As you speed up, you're going to get less performance. As you slow down frame by frame, you get more performance because we've got the H.264 all decoding at the same time. So obviously the more time that has to decode, the more videos we can have running in the same time. If you fasten it up, it's going to take more processing. So you'll get the feel. But yeah, look, 4, 6 cameras, you're not going to have a problem with.